Hello guys, ready for disposal guys. So, nung una guys, waste disposal for transfer, yung nauna. Yung pangalawa guys is waste disposal through destruction guys, kaya hindi na to magamit guys. Yung hindi magamit nito guys for destruction, ang pwede pa ibenta waste disposal through auction natin guys. Yung pwede pa maibenta, pero ang hindi pa maibenta ay yung hindi na mabinta for destruction na guys. Pag wala nang bibili, wala nang value